Today I'm going to talk about how diabetes and obesity are interlinked. Over the next 20 years, the number of obese adults in the country is forecast to soar to 26 million people. According to the health experts, such a rise would result in more than a million extra cases of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Obesity is also no longer a condition that just affects older people. Although the likelihood does increase with age, an increasing number of young people have been diagnosed with obesity. Data from Public Health England suggests that nearly a third of children aged 2 to 15-year-olds are obese. Link between obesity and type 2 diabetes. While the exact cause of diabetes are still not fully understood, it is known as that factor up the risk of developing different types of diabetes mellitus. For type 2 diabetes, this is include being overweight or obese, having a body mass index BMI of 30 or greater. In fact, obesity is believed to account for 80 to 85% of the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. While recent research suggests that obese people are up to 80 times more likely to develop type 2 diabetes than those with a BMI of less than 22. How does obesity cause type 2 diabetes? Well, it is a well known fact that if you are overweight or obese, you are at greater risk of developing type 2 diabetes, particularly if you have excess weight around your tummy. Inflammatory response. Studies suggest that abdominal fat causes fat cells to release pro-inflammatory chemicals which can make the body less sensitive to the insulin it produces by disrupting the function of insulin responsive cell and their ability to respond to insulin. This is known as insulin resistance, the hallmark of type 2 diabetes. Having excess abdominal fat, that is, large waistline, is known as central or abdominal obesity, a particularly high risk from obesity. Disruption in fat metabolism. Well, obesity is also thought to trigger changes to the body metabolism. These changes cause fat tissue, adipose tissue, to release fat molecules into the blood, which can affect insulin responsive cell and lead to reduced insulin sensitivity. According to the theory put forward by scientists into how obesity could lead to type 2 diabetes, is that obesity causes prediabetes, a metabolic condition that almost always develops into type 2 diabetes. Preventing obesity? The link between obesity and type 2 diabetes are firmly established without the intervention of a healthy diet and appropriate exercise. Obesity can lead to type 2 diabetes over a relatively short period of time. The good news is that reducing your body weight by even a small amount can help to improve your body's insulin sensitivity and lower your risk of developing cardiovascular and metabolic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and type of cancer. According to NHS, a 5% reduction in body weight followed by a regular moderate intensity exercise could reduce your type 2 diabetes risk by more than 50%. For information on how to lose weight safely, how to stay motivated, and the benefits of shedding weight, see cost of obesity. In the UK, the cost of NHS of obesity and related conditions such as type 2 diabetes is putting a huge unsustainable drain on NHS resource. Treating obesity, type 2 diabetes, and diabetic complications such as neuropathy, heart disease, and amputation is very costly. and with new cases of obesity related to type 2 diabetes soaring each year in the UK. These costs are accepted to keep prices